technology and everyday life. Next, the bottom portion of my skirt represents our white skirts, which are usually long and pleated. They are central pieces and can come adorned with vibrant patterns and embroidery that often show our culture and our heritage. My sash is a green and red sash to represent the crossings of the red and green rivers in China into Southeast Asia. And the sao is more than just a piece of jewelry, as it has a rich history. The necklace means lock, to remind us of when the Hmong people were captured by the Chinese. After gaining our independence, the sao were made in remembrance of our culture. My headdress is traditionally worn by Hmong women, and depending on which type of headdress you wear, represents which province you are from. Hmong hats can be typically made from cloth or silver with accents such as coins or beadings. The colors and patterns also carry significant meaning in Hmong clothing. White means purity and the spiritual world. Blue means healing and protection. Green is nature and life. And red means courage, strength, and vitality. And patterns such as flowers, which represent fertility and beauty, and diamonds, which represent the harmonious balance between nature and humans. Hmong clothing is a powerful expression of identity, connecting individuals to their cultural roots and unique heritage. Thank you to the judges, New Year Committee, and audience members as we come together to celebrate the fusions of Hmong traditions with the aspirations of the modern world. Thank you, everyone.
Always just sponsors Dr. Sengli or your quality, to the quality here dental. So he all your Dr. Jerry or your to junior and our Western dental. 我们被动在我们的美国口语生理中这些